Naku, alaan mo!
Blind Item News, sige ang aktor na i-imagine na ang sarili na mayroon ng pamilya after 7 years. 4 taon nang magkarelasyon ngayon ang kilalang love team at mukhang sa kasalan na rin mauuwi ang kanilang pagmamahalan. Isa nga sa naitanong kay aktor, where do you see your relationship in 7 years? Diretso itong sinagot ng 27-year-old kapamilya star sa harap ng kanyang girlfriend. Anya, nakikita na niya ang future nila ng kanyang girlfriend with bigger family. Say niya, I know what will happen. I just putting it in words still here in this restaurant with a bigger family, pahayag ng aktor. Reading between the lines, talagang looking forward na siya sa next level relationship nila ni aktres at sa pagbuo ng sarili nilang pamilya. Nauna rito nabanggit na ng aktor sa isang panayam na may plano naman talaga siyang magpakasal. I-level up ang pagmamahalan nila ng kanyang girlfriend. Sabi pa ng aktor, for me, you have to be ready to love her not just today but also tomorrow and forever. This also means loving her not just in terms of emotion. You have to be able to provide for her a beautiful home, enough food, and a good environment. The perfect kind of love for me is not just loving her now, but also looking forward to having a future with her once I'm already capable of taking care of her, and once I've already safeguarded my parents' future, then that's when I can finally say I'm ready to bend the knee, sabi ng binata. Taong 2019 nagsimula ang love story ng kilalang showbiz couple. Hulaan po ninyo.